Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Siberian way of cleaning the intestine with flax seeds. This Siberian method of cleaning the intestine with flax seeds normalizes the work of the entire gastrointestinal tract. It's more like even intestinal healing, not cleaning. Here is this recipe. Take 100 grams of flaxseed, mix it on a coffee grinder, pour 250 grams of unrefined cold-pressed sunflower oil, leave to infuse for 7 days, shaking occasionally. Take 3 times a day for 10 days 40-60 minutes before eating 1 tablespoon. Use with seeds. For this, before use, shake the mixture to make it homogeneous. The result will appear after the 6th day of drug use, sometimes even later. At this time, your menu should consist mainly of plant products and fish. It should be excluded alcohol, flour and sugar refined. You can replace sugar with sweet fruits and honey. Attention! If you have cholecystitis, eat only with meals. Contraindications: during the exacerbation of chronic pancreatitis, hepatitis, with cholelithiasis, you cannot use tincture of flaxseed on vegetable oil. In these cases, tincture is best done on the water. To do this, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed brew with a glass of boiling water. You do not need to grind the seeds, leave it for yourself. After 2 hours the infusion can be taken, but to achieve a better effect, this infusion is best left in a thermos for the whole day. Use 1 glass of infusion, do not filter, along with the seeds, 2 to 3 weeks. While insisting tincture and oil, it is good to drink an infusion of 4 herbs: St. John's wort, chamomile, nettle, wormwood bitter. We take 1 part of each grass, mix, then 1 tablespoon of the mixture is filled with a glass of boiling water. We insist 1 hour. Drink 100 grams per hour before meals 3 times a day for 7 to 10 days. Indications: hypertension, increased blood coagulability, atherosclerosis, bleeding caused by polyps, cyst or other tumors of the uterus and its appendages, pregnancy, lactation, enterocolitis. The principle of the action of flaxseed and sunflower oil is what it is. Flax seeds have such properties: dissolving, purifying, expectorating, softening, enveloping, anti-inflammatory, slightly laxative. Flax seeds swell in the intestines for a long time without digesting. The ground spreads the intestines, stimulates its contraction, accelerates the progress of the food mass. The shell of seeds contains the alkaloid linamrin. It enhances the secretory and motor function of the gastrointestinal tract. In addition, the ground flax seeds, when swollen, form slime that remains on the mucous membranes, thereby protecting them from irritation with harmful substances, since it is not affected by the juices of the gastrointestinal tract. Therefore, flax is used to treat gastritis, colitis, inflammation of the bladder and kidneys, in the treatment of bronchitis, as a general restorative. Linen is also used to make linetol, which is used to treat atherosclerosis, chemical, thermal and radiation damage to the skin. Unrefined sunflower oil is a source of unsaturated fatty acids, reduces cholesterol, increases the concentration of phospholipids in the blood, therefore it is used as a preventive agent for atherosclerosis. Sunflower oil relaxes the smooth muscles of the internal organs, reduces body temperature, exerts an expectorant effect. Therefore, the mucus of flaxseed not only envelops all small ulcers, but also closes them from the action of enzymes and treats inflammatory processes. Getting into the gastrointestinal tract, oil lubricates it, removes all spasms and the body receives fatty unsaturated acids. When food arrives, it will pass as smoothly. Flaxseed will help to pass food further, while gently stimulating peristalsis and pushing the food lump to the exit. Another flaxseed seed absorbs some of the harmful substances that necessarily enter the body with food, while facilitating the work of the liver. It can be concluded that by applying sunflower oil with flaxseed, We improve the work of the gastrointestinal tract. Sunflower oil has a cholagogue effect, so you cannot use this medicine during exacerbations of cholelithiasis. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.